you don't finish. We don't argue inside studio.
This matter. So when I see one mumu where waka pass when we go break.
He can't argue.
Idiot. David Albert. He just waka pass because of say one can't argue.
He can't argue.
He wife they cheat on him. They don't marry. Sorry, David, but now because you waka pass, now make me talk this one. Now, make I tell you something. We dey complain about this matter of say, okay, man they cheat, a woman they cheat. Make I no like give you, Not be say I dey vex for women or something, or say I get any quarrel with any woman. But I don't hear this, I don't see. Make I talk my own. If man, at least they say the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know.
Yeah, that's true.
Men own, they say men they cheat. We know say men they cheat. Women know say men they cheat. But my brother, if woman cheat on you, you go and kill yourself.
Nedu, I tell you, say woman, like I tell you when we go break, woman know they just skate up saying they go cheat. Lie. You must don't do woman something. You go do something one. In my language, about tap yogobang. Now that tap of the
tap of my guy yogobang. Happy tap again. Tap
I didn't tell you.
Bago yagoba. Rap that thing.
See, Nedu, see, I don't make it like say you dey one-sided for this matter.
I'm not one-sided.
So on my own opinion, say men they cheat, gone. We know that one, men they cheat. But the thing where they make me they fear women, they say, if woman cheats on you, you go hardly find out. And by the time you find out, it can pay.
Why could a pain man?
Okay, now see. You don't say men they do their own, they rampart, they jump from here to here. But woman own. I know of a girl one time, we blessing my friend the daytime. So she did for school. So each time my friend they call her, they go to tell my friend say she not dey very strong. This guy for her neighbor, her best friend, they can't always come check on her. So the guy goes tell her, okay, give the guy phone, make I greet him. Say in thank you for taking care of you. This boy don't know say that guy na just
hey!
Now you the tidy the so until the day when he can't go school, he can't buy food stuff, can't buy everything, can't go there, can't call the boys, they can't flex. So now the boyfriends come they ask him, say, man, guy, sorry, who you be? The boy not there around. They come and say, sorry, guy, who you be? He say, nah, him baby this, and they say, no, now the guy, babe, nah, him be this. And the guy eyeball. He can't jump come out. So,
I tell you.
Though, for my own opinion, men they do am well. But if woman do am, you know the queen know. And if you know you can pay.
Where be that thing why I talk? Men own. We all know say men own. They everywhere. Everybody they see men own.
That's why now they just assume say woman fit take them. You know they affect them. The same way where ECB talk say he campaign. Now the same way where he pain woman.
I don't know one time when he be saying when we dey school.
Woman go sit down with one man. The man not go sit down there.
For school, for Valentine period, that time for Madonna, for Valentine period, this guy, if you see the guy, don't forget his name, now Fatty Bonbon, the guy be. The guy fat, plenty tweets done there, you go read them. The guy fat, the guy buy TV, and that small VCD, that time not be DVD, VCD, buy, give the babe. He not reach 1 hour, when the guy drop the gift for Aso Rock, come out. The babe carry that gift, give another boy, will be her boyfriend. Forget, men, I'm not saying men not they cheat, men they cheat. But women, their own now wickedness in high places.
They think they judge.
No, Hafsat, you don't start, Hafsat. You say, Nedu, forget, now women they cheat. If woman do you one correct cheat, you fit faint. Woman are good cheaters. Hell my easy bid for me. No first, Nedu, I don't beg you.
Hafsat, you don't get, now that you did so. No. She they cheat. She they cheat.
With who? Then, December 15, say, na man they cheat pass, and the reason be say, the earth be like ocean, way full of women fishes.
Lovette from Ajegule. Lovette, good evening.
He say women too plenty.
Lovette, how you dey? Lovette, I beg talk true. Between man and woman, now who they cheat pass?
Lovette.
Who they call you? What do you they do? Hey, Lovette, what do you they do?
Man.
Who they call you?
Now Lovette they cheat.
Hey.
Me say here am.
Lovette, what do you they do there?
They cheat.
Hey, they cheat.
Person say, he say Romeo don't talk and finish. Accurate, they say, man they cheat pass, but women they lie pass, which make their own cheating day more coded.
Simple.
Say Romeo don't talk and finish.
That. And then, what be this one? Who be this one?
Samuel Robert.
Samuel Robert say both cheat equally. If man cheats, not be guinea.
Not be woman he go carry.
not be woman they go carry.
So the
Now
thing,
they say
so the thing balance.
the thing balance. Good evening, they do.
Nice one.
Man, they cheat pass because this thing not they stay one place. Which thing not they stay one place?
I don't know.
Linda from Jos. We will come back to Twitter. Linda from Jos. Lindy, way. Okay. They do not man they cheat pass because this thing not they stay one place at all. We they like simple or
We like sample.
all the time. And then December 15, KLMN01, say na man they cheat pass. The reason be say, be like, oh shit, you don't read this one.
This one, Mr. Kennedy. He say now women they cheat pass, oh, and their own cheating now the next level. Because you know fit catch them.
Stanley, good evening.
Good evening.
Where you they call from, Biko?
I dey come from Abuja.
Okay, Stanley,
Okay.
good evening. You don't bath today at all?
Well, and I don't shower well.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Now, between man and woman, I beg, who they cheat pass?
Talk
They
true.
you talk the truth, eh?
Yes.
We both of us, they see, but woman go do you, where he go hit you, you go surprise.
You go one commit suicide.
He pass suicide says. He pass suicide. Woman go do you for, he go do you for your nose, you know, even as
You not go know.
You can go sit down one corner, they cry.
Not be say, see,
My
make una.
just left matter, woman won't worse.
Woman, Stanley, thank
No,
you.
bad
See,
oh.
not be Stanley, thank you. Not be say they say man no they cheat. Man they cheat, but my brother, if woman cheat on you, you go hate your life.
Abdul, why say Nedu, both man and woman are cheaters. He said, Nedu, say you never cheat before for your life. May you talk true.
If it be say I know they cheat, maybe then they cheat on me, they cheat with me. But me I know they.
They be cheating with you.
Rita from Abuja, good evening. Cynthia from Abuja. Cynthia, good evening.
Cynthia is calling.
Cynthia, good evening. How you
How
doing?
now?
Fine, no, see, they do not talk that thing, no. When they talk that men sabi cheat, whether single or married.
But
In terms
Cynthia,
of women, they cheat somehow when they are single. But
Okay.
when they are married, they're totally cheating in their marriage in their home.
okay, so when they single, they feel cheat. But when women don't marry, they know they cheat again.
Because if they don't see a guy that is capable of taking care of them, like financially and otherwise, they still look for another person, or maybe they are looking for somebody that will marry them.
Okay.
They come to you and they see that you are like staying with them, they'll just leave you and go to another person.
Okay.
But
Okay.
when they finally settle down, they don't cheat. It's men that cheat.
Okay. Okay. Cynthia, thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
British from Jos. British from Jos.
Hello?
Hello.
Beatrice, good evening.
Them they do and in people.
Hey,
we
how
greet
now?
you too. Beatrice.
no, how is work?
Fine. No, you don't bath today?
I don't bath, no be Beatrice, I say Beatrice.
I know, na Beatrice, so.
Beatrice. So, tell me.
To be for this matter.
Ngwanu.
Tell us your own.
You know, saying that women sabi that thing, but men. Hello?
Yeah,
We dey hear you.
Nedu, they hear me.
I don't hear you. They hear you.
It has to be, you know, say for men body, now only one place where no hear prayer.
Exactly. That junction.
Listen to the prayer.
That junction. That chairman junction.
Which junction?
Abi.
Ikorabasi.
That junction.
Okay, so Beatrice, what you dey try talk about be say now women they cheat pass.
Now women they cheap pass.
No.
They don't cheat on you before.
Better tell this your colleague. I've been waiting their name. I've been a Katim. I've been a cat.
Now my baby they call cat.
No vex. Now I don't say the thing go pay.
Make you tell me waiting.
What I go tell him?
Make you talk waiting. Talk and now. Talk and finish.
No vex. I beg.
No
Thank
be
you.
vex now.
Thank you, Beatrice.
Talk waiting you want talk.
Abdul from Abuja. Abdul, good evening.
How you there?
Today fine, Abdul. How today?
Fine, no.
Abdul, talk to and shame the devil. Between man and woman, who they cheat pass?
My women are dangerous.
Yeah. Before uncle, waiting you
They
supposed
don't
to
cheat
talk.
on you before.
Women, they cheat on me now, definitely.
What do you do? Now
You will never cheat on them.
You don't cheat before.
Women.
Men,
Answer question. You never cheat on
You
them.
don't cheat before.
they, but
No be men they cheat. You.
I don't cheat now. Why
I
not?
think.
You don't cheat, Abi. Okay, but for your own total summary, now woman then they cheat pass, okay?
Now, woman is
We
Ivana, thank you. Abdul, thank
What
you.
you supposed to talk?
Thank you. See
You
your
go cheat.
computer.
Man go cheat, woman go cheat.
No,
be
women they even use men cheat. So women they cheat back.
See, me I know what I dey talk. Men dey
God,
cheat.
ma.
Oh. I know say you dey cheat.
No, see. They do, now.
You why no?
When they do calm down, they do calm down. Now they calm down. Okay,
You know
they
they
do,
cheat?
okay, they do wait now.
And they say I know they cheat, then they cheat with me.
Hey.
Gloria from Ekiti. Gloria from Ekiti.
Yes, so
Good evening, Gloria. How you doing?
fine. No, good evening.
Good evening, my dear. I beg, tell me true. Between man and woman, who they cheat pass? Even if I know what you talk.
Oh, this talk now I talk. Oh,
No,
Okay.
my
na
dear.
serious I talk.
So who they cheat pass?
Now man, no.
Tell you,
On
my
you,
sister. Oh,
Man cheat on you, eh?
you not go recover.
They laugh for there.
He
because
go cheat
na
on you
man
with your sister, your neighbor picking, your teacher picking, all of them.
They don't cheat on you before, Gloria.
Donation.
They don't do it now. Wait, clean.
No, wait. I said they don't cheat on you before. You said they don't do it now. Well, let me say, then they cheat on you constantly. They're supposed to don't give you award.
Okay. The fact I still remember that one. Where?
Okay, what happened?
I call him, guy, where you did? He know the house. I say, God, this guy, I don't trust him.
There you
I
go.
go in the house.
Why
I
you
say,
go?
babe.
Why?
Hey, yes, Gloria, sorry, not mine now. Not mine now. Easy.
On a way of life.
I
Thank you.
I say it be
Gloria.
like clothes where they change every morning, afternoon, evening.
Thank you.
Tell me you, my sister.
Amadi, good evening. Amadi from Abuja, good evening. Amadi, how now? Good evening.
Oh, Allah.
Hey, go on,
Amadi talk true. Who they cheat pass, man or woman?
Who they cheat pass, man or woman?
Sige.
Amadi,
He go do and he go give you half.
get it?
But now man is bad.
Oh, man, they cheat pass.
Yeah.
You they cheat?
Well.
You they cheat?
You say well now.
Proud.
Where you are a proud cheatist.
Proud. Yeah,
You go to your town
guy.
meeting. He was one. Now I'm a cheatist. Make we go for a small musical break. When they come back, still on top of the next show. Amadi, thank you very much. This bit played, then make we enter
He say,
musical
you are a
break.
cheatist. No, this was saying that
I scored a goal! Wait, just one more game.
It's really boring. I'm not feeling this.
Okay. It's boring? Throw a party.
Party. I'm too tired and too stressed out to have a party.
Yeah, you crash, man. You crash.
Yeah, you know we got it in the bank. All the money's in the bank. Hello, baby. Chiquano, you're amazing. Kikwano, ever blazing. Dollar, yeah, you fine like the lines of a blue sky. You wanna know charm? I'm Guabiano. I'm a fresh guy. I need to use that. See, I'll take you. I'll upgrade you. And you'll be screaming other words, baby, thank you. Shina Gucci, I been Kwabi. See no worries, baby Faji. I be Chiama. Oh, yeah, come see. Ngwanile, no, I booze in a high seat. I got a simple plan. Yeah, I'm a simple man. I got a touch of a God, call me Superman. So make a move, girl. Don't break the mood, girl. And we can take it all the way to the moon, girl.
Baby, oh.
Oh, shit.
Baby, oh.
Oh, shit.
My sugar.
Oh, shit.
My sugar. Girl, you too fine. You dey blow my mind. I say, girl, you too fine. You dey blow my mind.
Hey, yo, Chime, can I chime in?
I say, girl, you
Yo,
too fine.
thanks for coming, don't mention. Hold on, suspension. Last card, I'm a bastard. Flow so sick, I need check up. And I got a little liquor. Come through and chill with your nigga. Let's keep going now, no slowing down. Till we get inside the Guinness Book of Records. Oh shit, I'm grateful. Is your name fit? I'm fitful. I'm a fool for your good looks. Well done, your mother is a good cook. Highly palatable, I like you write an article. I make it so grammatical, saying that I'm proud of you. Truly, I appreciate that you made me an affiliate too. Shit,
Baby, oh.
oh shit,
Baby, oh.
oh shit.
My sugar. I say, girl, you too fine. You dey blow my mind. I say, girl, you too fine.
Oh no, baby. I'm all right. You wanna come take me out for a party this night? Ah, I'm not feeling too well. Oh, okay. Bye bye. Love you.
Una don't see him now. You don't see him now.
Keep quiet there.
You don't see him now.
Because then a man, that because then a woman.
feeling too
Her own not even bad. Pass, she tired rapper.
Say she not well.
Which means say nothing there.
No, you know what I like. But she say, not tonight.
Baby, I'm not feeling too well.
I'm not feeling too well.
You are
The
cheating.
cheat is who she the cheating start with? No be man.
Who they help him?
You they help
I'm
him.
not be me. Oh. That guy they help.
And only that guy, they will four girls.
And let that guy
They four, they cheat.
Oh.
Nkwanu, may we read some of the tweet. It's princess say both man and woman they cheat, but now man cheat pass. They are stick no one hear prayer. Polycarp say Neru I dey your back gidigbam. Woman cheating be like poison to man. Now woman cheat pass yo. Loose women get all type of rich men. Na to win, but rich men no get asset. All now women. What's in the talk?
I have no idea.
So now some of the tweet we don't enter.
Man, they cheat pass. When women cheat, it go be like double portion. What's up, guys? Men they cheat pass, but women they lie pass. Their own cheating. Romeo don't talk and finish. I beg all of una will not take una calls, will not read some of una tweets. Make una not vex. We'll not to get plenty time on top today's show. Even Romeo self will not even to follow Romeo talk. So therefore,
Abalotos and say men they cheat like saying that their priority. Say come see name on top WhatsApp. Woman go call you, go say na Romeo they call you. Janet go call you, go say na Neru they call you. They themselves go feel confused.
Anyway, double twirl to Romeo. Thank you, Romeo. Thank you. Say you show up Port Harcourt.
I'm a Potako fine.
That hammer time don't reach there.
You don't finally move come Lagos.
Yes,
Hey, your father, who want to try you?
Who go scatter everything.
They don't
Anyway,
blow.
double twirl to all of una we call us today. Double twirl to those wait. We love all of una die. And the guys when they be say they follow easy beat.
Double toilet to them now. Neru, why you there?
Okay, double
why you they jealous?
I'm making up side they jealous. And for the guys when they cheat, double more grease to your elbow. For
And the men where they help them.
More grease to your elbow.
And the men and women where they help them respectively.
More grease to una leg. Double toilet to our able DJ when they be say no any DJ be like come for inside this
Easy
one.
when they make Monday be like Friday. Every day na Friday.
And then to our producer Kesolo, you are the highest producer in this world. God bless you. And to my lovely Katsi, oh my God. Give us beats, Moku dance. I feel like dancing for you. I will sweat for you.
Oh.
I will sweat for you. I will sweat for you.
They do not fall down. Oh, you do backslide.
I do backflip.